Welcome to the Business of Photography workshop brought to you by Creative Quarters.
It's not just about photography, but it's more like a platform that is set up basically to, first of all, appreciate and celebrate African talent and also exhibit their works.
It's easier when you collaborate. So we can build companies that are sustainable, systems that work.
Please don't see yourself as just a photographer. See yourself as a businessman doing photography.
Branding, it's deliberate, it's important. They're amazing photographers, but nobody knows about them.
It's been a life-changing experience. I learned the power of systems.
I mean, my expectation was fully met, and I am very grateful that I did not miss this opportunity for anything.
It was way beyond my expectation. I won't even lie. I love the community that Mr. Temitope is building for Creative Quarters, and I would love to be part of it.